So here's what it comes with. It comes with 3 lights, 3 packages of mounts for these lights, and 3 brackets with magnets. I'm going to show you how that works, and 3 instruction sheets. Now, the way this magnet works is very clever. You put it on the bottom of the light, it lines up, has a magnetic catch on there, and this allows you to rotate the light pretty decent amount actually, so that you can point the sensor to wherever people are going to be walking or onto your cabinet where there's going to be movement. This magnet, I'll show you, is very powerful, and it holds this unit very securely. So that's very nicely designed. I've had other lights where it just falls right off. This actually works, and if you notice, not only is it holding it, but I can rotate this to change the position of the sensor and the light. That's really nice design. I really like that. So you have 3 of those included. Now the way this light works is first of all, there's a battery compartment here. It includes the batteries. It has 3 AA batteries. It includes them. It was inside there in the package. And this is a motion sensor, and this is a light sensor. And if you look here on the back, you have a little switch. Now I was a little confused when I first did it because of the graphics. But when you first go from off to the left, and that's the on position, that's not the auto, but that's on. So in the middle is the on position, and that's what turns the lights on. So you can use it as a flashlight, you can walk around with it, or you can turn it on under your cabinet, wherever you're going to use this. The other position is called auto, and that's written auto right there. So far to the left is auto. And what this does is this detects your motion and it comes on. Now if you have ambient light above a certain level, this won't come on because it wants to conserve energy. But if it gets dark, at some point this will trigger, and if you walk in the room, this will detect your movement and the light will come on. Now the light stays on. I timed it for about 12 seconds, and then it resets itself, and then if you walk back in the room and you trigger it, it's going to come back on again. Now this sensor has a 100 degree angle. So if you look at it like that, it's a little more than 90 degrees that it's going to sense. And in terms of the distance away, it's going to go about 3 meters. So if you have a person moving 3 meters from here, which is about 9 feet, 100 degrees angle, it's going to detect that motion. And that's really nice. And if the ambient light goes higher, it's going to shut off like I mentioned. So once it's triggered, it'll go about 10-12 seconds long. Now this is a nice amount of light. It's perfect because it's not too bright, not too dim. You have a nice balance to save batteries. And again, it has that really cool mount on there that allows you to change the angle. I'm going to place this in a totally dark bathroom. And I'm going to walk in, I'm going to show you how it operates and how bright it is and how the auto detection works. So as you can see, I have it on the top of the toilet basin right there. And I have the lights on. Now I'm going to shut the light off. And all I have is some night lights. And you can see I moved, and there it came on just from my slight amount of movement while I was videotaping. Let's see how long it stays on. There you go. Now it came on again because I walked towards the camera. So as you can see, it's nice and sensitive. It picks up motion beautifully, and it's basically illuminating this whole small bathroom, just one of these lights, which is really impressive. So my overall impression of this device, it's very nice. I think it's got a really nice quality to it. The way that you could change the... Oh, I also forgot to mention that this magnet allows you to change the angle of the light, but you can also rotate the sensor, which is very unique. I've never seen a device that has that. That means you could turn the light this way or this way and have the sensor pointing wherever you're going to have motion. So that's really nice. So my overall impression is I love this device. I think it's very well built. I'm going to rate it as a 5-star rating, and I think you'll be really impressed with it if you purchase it. And I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.